Rev up your engines! After working on cars for the last 52 years and getting over 3 million subscribers on my channel, I'm finally creating my own car app. This app is going to be completely free and it's for everyone. It doesn't matter if you got a 94 Celica or if you have a Mercedes G-Wagon, this app is going to be for everyone. Now I can't disclose the full details because it's going to have a lot of special things and I don't want the competition to pick up on my ideas and try to steal it before I get it done. Just realize it's going to be a game changer for cars and car content. I want to get it perfected before I get it out there. I've seen too many horrible apps. I've tested out a bunch of car apps myself, and some of them horrendous. I would never force that upon people. And to be notified when the app launches, just click on the link below. Thanks a ton.